David Goggins was not born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He grew up in a poor household and was often subjected to racism and abuse. As a result, he developed a negative self-image and low self-esteem, which followed him into his adult life. But one day, Goggins decided that enough was enough. He wanted to turn his life around and become unstoppable. He started by joining the Navy SEALs, where he pushed himself to his limits and beyond. He became a master at overcoming pain and suffering, which he said was the key to unlocking his potential. Goggins' journey was not without its challenges. He faced setbacks and failures, including failing the Navy SEALs entrance exam 3 times before finally passing on his 4th attempt. But each time he was knocked down, he got back up and tried again, refusing to give up on his dream. After serving in the military, Goggins decided to take on new challenges, including running ultramarathons and becoming a motivational speaker. He used his experiences to inspire others to push through their own limitations and achieve greatness. Despite all his successes, Goggins never forgot where he came from. He continued to battle his own demons, including a heart condition and a difficult childhood, but he remained determined to overcome them. Through his story, Goggins teaches us that we all have the power to overcome adversity and achieve our goals. We just need to be willing to put in the work and never give up, no matter how many times we fall.